What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply color to alternate rows or columns in Microsoft Excel, commonly known as creating color-banded rows or columns. This technique enhances the readability of your spreadsheets by visually separating the data. Let's get started. First, you need to select the range in your spreadsheet where you want to apply the alternate coloring. Once you've made your selection, click on the Home tab. From there, navigate to the Conditional Formatting button. Click on it, and then choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog, select the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is where you'll input the formula that tells Excel how to apply the formatting. I'll include the formula for color-banded rows in the video description for easy access. Just copy and paste it into the formula bar in the dialog box. After entering the formula, click on the Format button. Choose the Fill tab and select the color you want for the alternate rows. Hit OK to close the Format Cells window, and then click on OK again in the New Formatting Rule dialog box to apply the rule. You'll see that every alternate row in your selected range is now colored. If you want to apply this formatting to columns instead of rows, the process is very similar. Again, start by selecting the range and choose New Rule. Use the Use a formula to determine which cells to format option. And this time, paste the formula for the color-banded column, also provided in the video description. Select your desired color by clicking the Format button. Go to the Fill tab, choose your color and click on OK. Then on OK again to apply the formatting. This will color every alternate column in your selected range. If you want to apply both row and column banding simultaneously to create a checkered pattern, first apply one set of banding. Then, simply repeat the process with the other formula on the same range. This method quickly enhances the visual appeal and readability of your datasets, making your Excel spreadsheet both functional and attractive. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.